Hi everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. China is set to experience mostly sunny and warmer weather across much of the country over the next 3 days, according to the National Meteorological Center. Meteorological authorities announced that the clear skies will dominate in most regions, bringing gradual rise in the temperatures. And many cities are expected to see more sunshine, improving outdoor conditions and easing the recent chill in the several provinces. However, the picture is not uniform nationwide. In the northwest, parts of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region and the Gansu province are forecast to experience light to moderate snow or sleet. And similarly, Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region in the North China, along with the central and northern areas of the Northeast China, will also see wintry conditions. Forecasters warn that some of these areas could face heavy snowfall, and isolated regions may even experience blizzard conditions. Reduced visibility, snow accumulation, and icy surfaces could disrupt transportation and daily life. Road authorities are preparing for the potential snow clearance operations, while emergency services remain on standby in case of the severe weather developments. Meanwhile, southern China will experience different weather pattern. Light to moderate rainfall is expected across several southern provinces. And though not severe, the rain may bring temporary inconvenience to the commuters and outdoor activities. Weather officials are advising the public to remain alert to rapidly changing conditions. And as the temperatures fluctuate between day and night, residents are encouraged to dress in layers to avoid catching cold. Overall, while much of the country will enjoy brighter and warmer days ahead, certain northern and northwestern regions should prepare for challenging winter weather conditions. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.